Hi guys, my name is Holly, and today I'm going to be attempting to crochet the world famous, or at least Pinterest famous, Scarlet and Sam inspired crochet top. I have been seeing this all over my Pinterest for the last 6 months. I've been desperate to make it, but it seems like a really big project to tackle, so I thought that if I made a video about it, it would motivate me a little bit more. So I'm going to bring you guys along with me. Let's get started. Okay, so I decided I'm going to be using a 5mm hook, and this is just regular acrylic yarn that I've rolled into a ball. I started rolling my yarn into balls because I find it's a lot easier to work with it. So start with a chain, or start with a slip stitch, and then I'm gonna chain enough for it to fit around this area of my body. Okay, so I ended up doing 110 chains, so that gets it to fit sort of around the top of my bust area, loosely. I like having a little bit of space with it because I don't really want to do a lot of shaping with this top. I'm kind of just make it all one length. So now I'm going to turn my work, and I'm gonna do half double crochets, I think. Yeah, so I'm gonna turn my work and then skip a stitch and do half double crochets into the next 110 stitches. Okay, so I'm dumb, and I just realized that I have to go deliver some earrings to my friend. She just bought these smiley face earrings from me. Go follow my earring Instagram at handmadebyholly03. But so it's currently 3:35, and I have to meet her at 4:45, and it takes me 45 minutes to get there if I use public transport completely correctly, which I don't know if I will. So I'm gonna leave now. But the good thing about this is that crochet is super portable. So got it in my cute little city girl tote bag, and I'm gonna bring it with me. Hello, I'm back from my little diversion on the subway. I didn't get a ton done because I didn't get to sit for a lot of the subway ride because it was really busy today. But I did the first little, I have 2 rows of the half double crochet done now, and I'm probably gonna do maybe 2 more and then switch to, I don't know if I want to switch to the dark blue or the light blue. I'm gonna see. I'm gonna get second opinions. I'm gonna bring both with me to my boyfriend's room just to do them, and I will update once I finish that. Hello. Okay, it's a new day now. I went to go do some crocheting yesterday, and then I ended up falling asleep at 8 p.m. and I slept until 12 today, which was a very long time, but I feel amazing and refreshed now. I'm currently in a Zoom class, but I just want to show you guys that this is about how far I am. So it's gonna be like this around the top. I'm gonna do the dark blue until it covers to the end of my boobs, really, and then switch to the white. So yeah, there you go. Okay, so I have started the white part now. Ended up just doing the orange and the blue till there, and then so for the white part, what I am doing is I'm going to chain 1, and then I'm going to do a double crochet into this stitch right here. So I'm going to yarn over, go through the stitch, yarn over again and pull through, yarn over one more time, pull through the first 2 loops, yarn over for the last time, and pull through the last 2 loops. So this is what is giving me this grid shape. Okay, so I have the white part done now. So when I'm standing up, it goes to about to where my waist is. You can't see because of the shirt, but So I've decided I am going to be using this pink color just for the like bottom stripe, which is probably going to be maybe half the size of this top stripe. And then I will take my needle and stitch it together, just like right at the back. And then once I've done that, I will start with the sleeves. Okay, so this is what the body part looks like now. It's all done, the seam right there, and that's the back. So now I'm gonna start with the sleeves. I'm gonna start by using this orange color and chaining enough to go around my wrist, and then it's gonna be this stitch all the way up. Okay, hello, I'm back. It is a new day again. Top is done. Main part of top is done. Also this part of the sleeve is done. So it's just, oh, I unraveled a couple of stitches, but so it's going to about here. Actually, I'm gonna wear it like that, so about there. And then I'm now switching to light blue. In the original top, they had like purple here, but I don't have any purple, so I thought light blue would be cute. So it's gonna be orange, light blue, little stripe of yellow, then back to light blue up here. So yeah, just gonna keep doing that. I went out for coffee with my friend this morning. I'm feeling super energized. Have another Zoom class today, but my university just announced that we're like going fully in person at the end. No, we're starting to go in person at the end of the month. So end of January, and then by the end of February, we will be fully in person. So that makes me very excited. I'm gonna have my first in-person university class. So we'll see how that goes. I can't crochet during those, so it's kind of sad, but I am so excited to go back in person.
For each of the stories. Sometimes that's, you make them short, or you make sure that the audience is aware that there's some background that needs to be explained here, and here it comes.
Okay, so this is why I don't usually, just checking that I'm muted. This is why I don't usually pull yarn from the middle of a skein like this. This is why I'd usually just wind it up into a ball from the outside, because I think people call this like yarn vomit, that like if I keep pulling this, a big chunk of yarn is gonna just like fly out of it. So I'm gonna try my best to get that knot undone, and we will see. But in the future, I will be winding the rest of mine into balls, because it just works way better. Yeah, I was right. Look at this beautiful yarn vomit that came out. Woo, it's a good thing I'm done with the yellow now. So I'm just doing a small section of yellow, and then I'm gonna do the rest of the sleeve in blue. Okay, so this sleeve is pretty much done now. I finished the blue, and it goes right up into my armpit. When it's fully attached, it's kind of gonna stretch up more like this, but just as of right now, it lays right there. So I think what I'm gonna do for the next section, it might take some experimenting, but I think I'm gonna place a stitch marker right here, and then one sort of like at the back by my armpit, and then I'm just gonna keep doing, I think, just this same like double crochet, skip a space thing in pink until I meet about the middle of my back. Hello, it is a new day. I slept incredibly last night. It is currently day 4 of top making. So I have class for the next 5 hours straight, and I'm pretty sure I'm gonna finish the top. If I don't finish the top, that'll be amazing. The quarter of the arm done, I have just like a little bit of the dark blue, and then I just have to do white all the way up here, and then a little yellow, and then sew it all together. And I'm gonna hate sewing it together because that's my least favorite part, and I have to sew in all the ends. Like, look at this, so many ends to sew in. But once I do it, it'll look pretty, and it'll be worth it, and then I'll have my own top, and I'll be so proud of myself. Hello, looking a little rough because I just woke up, but I am so close to being done. Remember how yesterday I said I was gonna finish it yesterday? Well, I didn't. I kind of underestimated how long the sleeve actually took me, especially when I wasn't like switching colors. So I have 2 of the like sleeve parts done, both of these done now, and I just need to add like this backing part onto this sleeve, and it's gonna be yellow. And then I need to sew in all the ends and sew all the pieces together. And also I'm going to redo how I sewed this part together, because just for the sole reason that this looks really sloppy to me, I think, because you can see the different colors. So like on the white, you like can't even see that I stitched it together right there. So I'm gonna redo this with like dark blue, then orange, and then like pink at the bottom, just because I put so much work into this that I want it to look good. And I may potentially sell this on my Depop. I just put up like my frog hat. I think I was wearing it in this video at some point, but I just put that up for sale. So if you want to check out my Depop, it's haul 646. Every piece is done. One piece, two pieces, and third piece. So now all I have to do is sew everything together and we will be done. Yay. Okay, it's dark in here because my light is broken, but that is the back. So I'm going to sew that bit onto the main top, and then it should be done. Yay! Okay, so it's almost done, but not quite. I'm gonna actually re-sew this part to go back about 2 stitches so it hits right at my armpit, because I just don't like how it's sitting. It's like, this shouldn't be curved, it should just be straight. So we're gonna give that a try. It's kind of just like pulling too much, and I feel like it's gonna rip if I leave it like this. Okay, so I changed it and I still don't like it. So I think the issue is this part, the pink, needs to be attached to this, but it needs to be attached about right there. So I think I'm just going to kind of like maybe combine these stitches together when I sew them in place, because this needs to be, because like it's too far in. My actual armpit is like there, and when I look at the actual top, the pink, like if it needs to be like this, and then it'll be more straight, and I just think it'll look better. So that's what I'm going to do. Okay, I think it is done. I think this is the best I'm gonna get with the sleeves. They don't fit exactly how I want them to, but they're a lot better than before, because before it was making a big like C shape, and now I think it looks a lot better. There is the back. The back is so cute. But yes, this is the finished top. So I think when I wear it, since this doesn't really cover my boobs, I kind of greatly miscalculated that. I'll probably wear it with a tank top like this, but then kind of like tuck the straps in somewhere, maybe. But yeah, I love it so much. Here, final product. I think it's so cute. Oh. So this is definitely now this isn't the biggest crochet project I've ever made, but this is the first top I've ever finished. And I'm so proud of it. And yeah, there you go. Thank you for coming with me on this journey. It is all done.